Today I'm showing you this knee brace with exclusive patented spring knee support technology from NEENCA. It has a contoured gel pad around the kneecap and dual spring stabilizers on each side, as you can see here, giving your knee extra stability while dispersing pressure. The breathable, high elastic fabric keeps your knee warm, reduces stiffness, and helps relieve pain from ACL, MCL, or meniscus issues, while still letting you move freely during workouts, sports, and daily activity. I will say wearing it all day long did get a little uncomfortable, but for running or during a flare-up, it's been super helpful. And really, I like that it stays in place thanks to the anti-slip gel strip that you can see here. This brace has over 63,000 reviews on Amazon, a 4.3-star rating, and more than 4,000 of these were bought last month. I usually like 4.4 stars or higher, but this one's a winner. It genuinely helped with my knee pain, and I have been using it for about 2.5 months now, so I'm very happy. So if you're looking for something that will help your knee pain, this really worked. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.